Hello and welcome to HWM Aston Martin. My name is Grace and I have the pleasure of showing you around this beautiful Aston Martin DB11 V8 Volante finished in magnetic silver. This car was registered in December 2019 and it has covered 11,800 miles. Let's take a look around. So starting at the front of the car and working our way back, we have chrome badging on this car, which can be found in the wings and also on the script at the back. It has a green infill, which is very traditional, very Aston Martin. We have gloss black diamond turned wheels with a dark anodized caliper. We also have an upper and lower gloss black body pack, which has a few options surrounding it. So we have mirror caps, we have front splitter, side strakes, etc. So looking at the rear of the car, we have red lamps. We also have the wings badge and the script that I mentioned earlier finished in chrome. We have the gloss black diffuser and we have some satin exhaust tips. So here we are in the interior of this beautiful DB11. We can see clearly that the main colour is the obsidian black leather here, which is contrasted really well with the silver stitching. We also have perforation on the seats, which means that we have ventilated heat and cool on the seats, and we have a lovely touch of the Aston Martin wings, which can be found on the headrest. The silver on the seats contrasts really well with the black that's found around the car. So we have piano black, which can be found here on the waterfall inside the centre console. It can also be found on the doors. And again, it contrasts well with the silver, which we have satin silver jewellery pack around here in the centre console and a few other areas of the car. Finally, we have heated steering wheel. And as you can see, we have a black roof to finish off this beautiful Aston Martin V8 DB11. Thank you very much for watching. If you'd like to know any more about this car, please do get in touch on 01932 240 611.